Have you ever wished you could have anything delivered right to your door in just a few hours? Well, you're not alone. Quick commerce is the future, and it's making waves around the globe. Imagine getting groceries, electronics, and even home decor just a click away. Yes, we're talking about apps like Blinkit, Swiggy Instamart, and now, the game changer Amazon Tez. What makes Amazon Tez so special? What's so special about Tez? Well, it's not even officially out yet, but it's already creating a buzz. What's driving all the hype? Speed, convenience, and choice. Amazon, with its unbeatable reach and logistics power, is jumping into quick commerce, and they're all set to redefine delivery. The quick commerce boom, stats and market growth. If you're someone looking to get into this booming market, you're probably wondering, how can I build an app like Tez? Well, hold on tight, because we're about to take you through everything you need to know. Let's start with the stats. The US quick commerce market is expected to hit a massive $62.63 billion by 2025. Yeah, you heard that right, billion. The growth doesn't stop there. It's projected to grow 6.82% annually, reaching $81.53 billion by 2029. Why should you care about quick commerce? Now, you might be thinking, why should I care? Well, Tez is just the beginning. The market is ripe for the picking, and with giants like Amazon entering, it's a golden opportunity to ride the wave. So, how do you stand out in this crowded space? Key considerations before building an app like Tez. 1. Define your objectives. Before you dive in, let's hit the key considerations. First things first, define your objectives. What's your game plan? Is it selection, value, and convenience like Amazon? Or do you have a unique twist? 2. Know your audience. Second, know your audience. Are you targeting busy professionals who need groceries in a hurry? Or families looking for last-minute essentials? Understanding your audience helps shape your app's design and features, and most importantly, it helps you win their trust. 3. Choose your platform, iOS or Android? Then, decide on your platform, iOS or Android, or both. The world is split, so pick the platform where your audience spends most of their time. Get this right, and you're one step closer to success. 4. Budgeting for development. Now, let's talk about the budget. Building an app like Tez is an investment, and we're talking serious business. You'll need funds for development, maintenance, and updates. You don't want to run out of steam halfway through. 5. Security, protecting user data. Security, don't forget about security. Protect your users' data, make sure transactions are encrypted, and build trust. A safe app equals loyal customers. 6. Scalability, ready to grow. And scalability, get ready to grow. As the orders roll in, your app needs to handle it all: more users, more products, more transactions. So, make sure it's built for the long haul. The benefits of quick commerce apps. So, why bother with all this? What's in it for you? Well, the benefits are huge. Quick delivery, better shopping experiences, higher profit margins, and less operational cost. Plus, sustainability, because let's face it, everyone loves eco-friendly options. Must-have features for your quick commerce app. And the features you'll need? Well, think of a user-friendly interface, real-time inventory, rapid delivery solutions, and AI-driven personalized recommendations. Oh, and don't forget about a secure, versatile payment system to keep things smooth. How much will it cost to build an app like Tez? As for the cost, get ready. Developing a Tez-like app can range anywhere between $25,000 to $300,000, depending on what you want in your app and the features you choose. It's a big investment, but the returns could be massive. Is quick commerce the future? So, are you ready to jump into the quick commerce space? If you've got the right mindset and a killer app, your success is just around the corner. Get started and let the world experience the future of shopping quick, fast, and now.